Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of electrical work with the 7 best crimping tools you can get your hands on. Whether you're a professional electrician or a DIY enthusiast, having the right crimping tool can make all the difference. Let's jump right into our top picks. Number 1. Haisstronica Crimping Tool. The haisstronica crimping tool is a versatile and reliable tool designed for electrical connectors. It features a robust design with high-quality materials that ensure durability and longevity. The ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. This crimping tool is suitable for various wire sizes and types, offering precise crimps that ensure secure connections. The ratcheting mechanism ensures consistent crimps with minimal effort, making it easy to use even for beginners. The tool's design also includes safety features, such as a locking mechanism to prevent accidental releases. Quality is a highlight of the haisstronica crimping tool, known for its precise engineering and sturdy construction. It effectively crimps terminals without damaging the wires, ensuring reliable electrical connections. The tool is suitable for both professional and home use, providing consistent results with each crimp. Overall, the haisstronica crimping tool combines durability, ease of use, and precision, making it a top choice for anyone involved in electrical work. Number 2. Wirefy Crimping Tool. Wirefy Crimping Tool stands out with its compact design and user-friendly features. This tool is designed for crimping insulated and non-insulated terminals, providing reliable connections for various electrical applications. The ergonomic handles offer a comfortable grip, reducing hand strain during prolonged use. The Wirefy crimping tool features a ratcheting mechanism that ensures precise and consistent crimps, enhancing the reliability of electrical connections. It's compatible with a wide range of wire sizes and types, making it versatile for different projects. The tool also includes a built-in wire cutter and stripper, adding to its functionality. Durability is a key feature of the Wirefy crimping tool, constructed from high-quality materials that withstand frequent use. The tool's compact size makes it easy to carry and store, making it convenient for both professional technicians and DIYers alike. In summary, the Wirefy crimping tool offers ease of use, versatility, and durability, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable crimping tool for electrical work. Number 3. Klein Tools VDV 226-110 Cable Crimper. Klein Tools VDV 226-110 Cable Crimper is designed specifically for coaxial cable applications. It features a compact and ergonomic design that allows for comfortable handling and reduced hand fatigue. The crimper is capable of terminating F connectors onto coaxial cables, ensuring secure connections. The tool's design includes a built-in stripper and cutter, providing added convenience for cable preparation. The crimper features a spring-loaded mechanism that ensures consistent crimps with each use, enhancing reliability and performance. It's suitable for both RG6 and RG59 coaxial cables, making it versatile for various installations. Quality is a hallmark of Klein Tools, known for its durable construction and reliable performance in the field. The VDV 226-110 Cable Crimper delivers precise terminations without damaging the cable or connector, ensuring optimal signal transmission. Overall, the Klein Tools VDV 226-110 Cable Crimper combines ergonomic design, functionality, and durability, making it a top choice for professionals and enthusiasts working with coaxial cables. Number 4. YWNEGWE ERJ45 Crimp Toolkit. YWNEGWE ERJ45 Crimp Toolkit is a comprehensive set designed for Ethernet and telephone cables. It includes a crimping tool, wire stripper, and connectors, providing everything needed for cable termination. The crimping tool features a robust design with ergonomic handles for comfortable use and reduced hand fatigue. The YWNEGWE ERJ45 Crimp Toolkit is compatible with RJ45 connectors, ensuring secure terminations for Ethernet cables. It includes a wire stripper that allows for precise cable preparation, enhancing the efficiency of installations. The kit also includes connectors and boots, making it a complete solution for network cable installations. Durability is a key feature of the YWNEGWE ERJ45 Crimp Toolkit, constructed from high-quality materials that withstand frequent use. The crimping tool's ratcheting mechanism ensures consistent crimps with each use, ensuring reliable connections. In summary, the YWNEGWE RJ45 Crimp Toolkit offers versatility, ease of use, and durability, making it an ideal choice for professionals and DIYers involved in network cable installations. Number 5. iCrimp KT 1096 DPEX Clamp Toolkit. iCrimp KT 1096 DPEX Clamp Toolkit is specifically designed for PEX pipe and fittings. It features a sturdy and ergonomic design that ensures comfortable handling and reduced hand fatigue during use. The kit includes a crimping tool and interchangeable jaws for various PEX sizes, providing versatility for different plumbing projects. The iCrimp PEX Clamp Toolkit utilizes a ratcheting mechanism that ensures precise and secure crimps, enhancing the reliability of connections. The tool's design allows for easy jaw changes, making it convenient for working with different PEX sizes. It also includes a built-in go/no-go gauge for verifying proper crimping. Quality is a highlight of the iCrimp PEX Clamp Toolkit, known for its durable construction and reliable performance in plumbing applications. The kit includes a carrying case for easy storage and organization, making it portable and convenient for on-the-go use. Overall, the iCrimp KT 1096 DPEX Clamp Toolkit combines versatility, ease of use, and durability, making it an excellent choice for professionals and DIYers working with PEX plumbing systems. Number 6. Plustool Crimping Tool. Plustool Crimping Tool is designed for non-insulated terminals and connectors. It features a robust construction with ergonomic handles that ensure comfortable handling and reduced hand strain during use. The tool's design includes a ratcheting mechanism for precise and consistent crimps, enhancing the reliability of electrical connections. The Plustool Crimping Tool is compatible with a wide range of wire sizes and types, making it versatile for various electrical projects. It includes a built-in wire cutter and stripper, adding to its functionality and convenience. The tool's compact size allows for easy storage and portability, making it ideal for both professional technicians and DIY enthusiasts. Durability is a key feature of the Plustool Crimping Tool, constructed from high-quality materials that withstand frequent use. The tool's ergonomic design and durable construction ensure long-lasting performance and reliability in the field. In summary, the Plustool Crimping Tool offers versatility, ease of use, and durability, making it a reliable choice for anyone looking for a high-quality crimping tool for electrical work. Number 7. AMZCNC Hammer Lug Crimper Tool. AMZCNC Hammer Lug Crimper Tool is designed for crimping heavy-duty battery lugs and connectors. It features a robust build with a hammer-style crimping mechanism that ensures secure and reliable connections. The tool is suitable for crimping copper and aluminum lugs, making it versatile for automotive and industrial applications. The AMZCNC Hammer Lug Crimper Tool is constructed from high-strength steel, providing durability and resistance to wear. The ergonomic handles offer a comfortable grip and reduced hand fatigue during use. The tool's design includes a spring-loaded mechanism that facilitates easy crimping, ensuring consistent results with each application. Quality is a hallmark of the AMZCNC Hammer Lug Crimper Tool, known for its precise crimps and reliable performance in demanding environments. The tool's rugged construction and durable components ensure long-lasting durability and reliability in the field. Overall, the AMZCNC Hammer Lug Crimper Tool combines strength, reliability, and ease of use, making it an ideal choice for professionals and enthusiasts working with heavy-duty electrical connections. Then there you have it, folks, our roundup of the 7 best crimping tools for electrical work. Whether you're tackling Ethernet cables, PEX plumbing, or heavy-duty battery lugs, there's a tool on this list that's perfect for your needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and tips. Until next time, happy crimping!